Have you ever looked at smart devices and thought, I wish I could build something like that? Well, guess what? You totally can. And it all starts with one word: Arduino. Arduino is a tiny, low-cost computer you can hold in your hand. But don't let its size fool you. This little board can do amazing things. It can control light, read sensors, move motors, even connect to the internet. At the center of every Arduino is a microcontroller. It's like a mini brain. It takes input, thinks a little, and gives output. Microcontrollers are used in tons of things: washing machines, remote controls, even your microwave. Because it is easy to use, cheap, and perfect for beginners, you don't need to be an engineer, you just need a little curiosity. Arduino also has a huge community. That means tutorials, forums, and project ideas are everywhere. Arduino started in Italy in 2005 to help students learn electronics easily, and it worked so well, it became a global movement. Now it's used by hobbyists, teachers, artists, and even professionals. Arduino isn't just for fun, it's used in classrooms, science labs, even farms. If you understand how Arduino works, you understand how modern machines think. Not at all. Arduino uses super simple code, and lots of examples are already made. You can just copy-paste, change a few lines, and boom, it works. Yep, there are many. The most popular is Arduino Uno. But there is also Nano, Mega, and others, for bigger, faster, or small project. The best way to learn Arduino? Build things. Start small, add sensors, try new ideas. There is no final exam, just endless experiment. Arduino has a massive global community. You'll find guides, code examples, forums, videos, even people happy to help. It's like having millions of nerdy friends. It's a beginner-friendly tool to control the physical world, a gateway to electronics, and a perfect starting point to inventors like you. This channel will help you start your Arduino journey, from your first blinking LED to your first working gadget. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, grab an Arduino board, and let's start building something awesome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.